Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech KC. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use mobile as the Android TV remote. See, this is my Thomson Android TV and this is my Android mobile. See, with this TV remote, I'm just navigating. See, I try to open here, YouTube here. See, I'll try to play a video. So yeah, for the copyrights reason, I'm unable to play full video, but see here, I just want to show you the navigation of this remote and I'll tell you how you can get this Android mobile TV remote on your mobile too. And this works with all the Android TVs, no specific mobile and no specific TV. There are preconditions like your phone and the TV should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. See here, this is the Wi-Fi connection my phone is currently connected to, this Wi-Fi connection, and the same Wi-Fi should be on the TV available. Then open your Play Store and here search for remote for Android TV. See here, remote for Android TV, and you need to install this remote for Android TV. See here, remote for Android TV, this is the app. So I already downloaded this and there is a open here. Click on open. What I'll do is for you to show, I'll be uninstalling this and I'll reinstall this. So that the setup will be from the starting. And remember, this setup takes not even 1 minute. Within 30 seconds you can actually set up this. There are very few steps. Okay, it has been downloaded. Click on open here. Yeah, see here, it automatically detects your TV name here. All that you need to do is you just need to click on this connect here. So once you connect, it will ask the passcode to enter from your TV. So this is for the pairing. Okay, the exact you need to enter here. So I'll be doing that 469CAB. Okay, click on this submit here so that this TV and this will get paired, and it is asking me to give the name for the TV, or you can say my TV or anything. My TV done, device connected. Now yeah, which control do you want, touchpad or the dial pad? D-pad. So I'll be using this D-pad and click on next, and yeah, click on done here. So see here, now what I'll do is just we'll check this YouTube shortcut here. So when I click that YouTube directly appears. So I'll be clicking on home again. Okay, and yes, I can navigate. What I'll do is I'll increase the volume and decrease the volume. See here, the volume I just made it to 0. From here you can increase the volume or decrease the volume. There are much options available, and I'll tell you one more thing. If you feel this is as the third party app and if you don't want to install this, you can Google from the Google. You can just search as Google TV, and here also you will have that remote. You need to install this Google TV app on your mobile and open this. The process is very similar, and this also will try to detect your TV here, and here also the same operations. See here, from this Google TV also, this remote also you can navigate. So I'll be opening, yeah, any of the app you can use. I'll be yeah. So if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and if you like this video, you can hit a like for this video and support me. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.